Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain you transpose of matrix. What is transpose? Changing row into column. So transpose of matrix. If A is Aij m by n, means order of matrix A is m by n, then what is A transpose? A transpose written as A dash or sometime AOT. So A transpose Aji n by m means simply changing row into column. If A is 1, 2, 3, 4, then transpose of A dash or AT written as 1, 3, 2, 4. What we have seen here? We have changed row into column. Some of the property of transpose. Transpose of matrix is matrix itself. Transpose of negative matrix is minus sign A transpose. Sum of two matrix means A plus B transpose is A transpose plus B transpose. Similarly, A minus B whole transpose is A transpose minus B transpose. Fifth is very important. A dot B whole transpose is B dash dot A dash. Means A dot B whole dash is B dash dot A dash. And sixth is K time A transpose. Here K is scalar, K time A transpose. So in case of transpose, simply you have to change row into column and column into row. Then symmetrics or symmetrics and is to symmetrics. In case of symmetrics, if A dash is A, means transpose of matrix is matrix itself, then matrix is said to be symmetrics. For example, if A is 1, 2, 3, 4, what is A dash? 1, 2, 3, 4. If you change a row into column, then there is no change. So A and A dash both are equal. Transpose of matrix is equal to matrix itself. So this matrix is known as symmetrics. And what is to symmetrics? This is symmetrics and this is to symmetrics. In case of to symmetrics, A dash is minus A. Means transpose of matrix is negative of transpose negative matrix. If A is 0, A, B, minus A, 0, C, minus B, minus C and 0. What is A dash? Now change row into column. 0, minus A, minus B, A, 0, minus C, B, C, 0. And take negative sign common. So what is this? 0, A, B, A, 0, C, minus B, minus C, 0. This is equal to minus A. In this case, this is A, this is A dash. What is A dash? A dash is equal to minus A. So this shows that the given matrix is to symmetrics. Then property of symmetrics and is to symmetrics. Every square matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetrics and is to symmetrics. Then similar matrix. If determinant of square matrix is 0, then matrix is said to be similar matrix. For example, 3, 5, 6, 10. Determinant is 30 minus 30, 0. And second, non-similar matrix. If determinant of square matrix is not 0 or non-zero. Example, 1, 2, 4, 5. So this is 1 into 5, 5, 5 minus 8 minus 3. This is not 0. In case of similar matrix, if matrix is square matrix and its determinant is 0, then matrix is said to be similar matrix. And if in a square matrix, if determinant of matrix is not 0, known as non-similar matrix. So in this way, you can simplify exercise 5th E and F. Yeah, the simple methods are given to you. Some of the more problems and questions you can see from your textbook examples given there. And if any more doubts or query you want to clarify, you can ask me. Thank you so much.